How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to lose belly fat after pregnancy fast. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training for me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. Tip 1, you will never ever see your abs or your stomach if your waist is too big. If your waist is 40 inches, no matter what you do, your abs will never show. You have to slowly diet and eliminate the fat in your belly. Once you do this, your abs will start to show and you will lose the belly fat after pregnancy, you guys. Second tip, actually train your abs, train your stomach. A lot of people think that just because you get to a low body fat percentage, your abs will start to pop out. You need to train your abs just like you would train your biceps, you guys. Tip 3, deplete your glycogen storages. This is very easy to do. You just have to lower your carbs. Within a few days, your glycogen storages will be depleted and you will look a lot more hard. And your abs will start to show more. You will look like you have lost a lot of body weight, you guys, and a lot of belly fat. Fourth tip, watch your sodium levels. If you have been eating a ton of sodium because of eating fast food, I recommend lowering your sodium intake. This will make you appear a lot more shredded and your abs will pop out more. Fifth tip, with less sodium comes less salt. If you ever eat a lot of fast food or a really high sodium food, you instantly feel thirsty. With salt comes water. The more salt you eat, generally the more water you will drink. When this happens, you become what's known as soft. To appear less soft, don't stop drinking water, just lower your sodium intake. By lowering your sodium intake, your water intake will drop a bit and you will appear more shredded. So I still recommend drinking at least 2 to 3 liters of water a day for most people. Our bodies are made up of mostly water, so to make sure you're drinking lots of water. To end the video, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.